There's nothing good about this.
So today's a big day. After today, the building's actually gonna be safe. You're gonna be able to walk through here and not be afraid that you're gonna fall into a deadly chasm or some hole that was covered by rotting plywood and all sorts of stuff. We're gonna have a level concrete floor. I can't believe it's happening. It's only been 3.5 weeks. I mean, this is insane.
I have so much respect for these guys. I could not finish concrete. Nope, can't do it. This is an art, an absolute art. Holy crap, it's happening. This is the best view in the whole building. All right, so in Judaism, we have a thing called Baba Meister. Look it up, it's Yiddish for old wives' tales. And there's one about dropping coins in a foundation, especially for a new concrete pour and a new business, and for all sorts of different things. Like we did it, we dropped it when we built our house. The idea behind it is it's just good luck, never be broke. I mean, like if we get to the point that I have to jackhammer up the floor for the quarters I'm about to throw in here, we're in trouble. Though, that being said, so I'm gonna drop 18 coins in this floor. 18 in Hebrew equates to the word chai, which means life. So here's to life. We drop some coins. They're getting ready to throw me out of here. I keep stepping in the way of the laser that they're using for level. They keep yelling, excuse me, because here's a shocker, I'm in the way. This is insane. I'm having that moment. Before anybody says anything, I actually asked, could I go down there and run the machines? They laughed at me. I had a moment though. I was standing up here and I was looking at this, and this is a lot. It's a lot. So I was just told we're gonna be able to walk on this today. I don't know how. I don't understand the physics of concrete. Took us, who am I talking about? Took them, we started at 8:30 this morning, and it's 11:15, my friends. 70 yards of concrete. Crazy! You're doing this because you can fix what I mess up.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just don't let go of it.
Why not? What happens then?
That thing spins around, it goes crazy. Just don't let go.
Challenge accepted. There's nothing good about this. There you go. You hear that? There you go. Kendall's laughing. There's no way this is ending well. I'm sticking to resin and woodworking. You can do it one-handed. Did you hear that? You can do it one-handed. I'm picking up with all my might and it's going nowhere.
When Scott plays in the puddles.
Ready?
Yeah. Woo!
Kendall's like, I answered this ad because they were looking for a videographer.
Here I am.
Note to self. Note to self.
Oh, Lord, is that a good fish carcass?
Oh.
It's moving.